Got the GoPro on the head. Haven't done this one in a minute. Playing camera car boy for my dudes Andrew. We got this NSX. They're gonna do a couple drone shots and some long lens shots, and I will do them the favor. Ooh, she quick. Gonna fly in here with us. Get out of here, broski. Go on. Get out of here. Okay, we're good. Ooh, sound good. Super fast. Get me in trouble fast. It just grips. Didn't even brake there. Lordy, that's quick. Feel the boost building really like that. You can hear all kinds of hissy sounds. The balance really nice. A lot of front end grip and confidence. Like even when the road starts to curve in a little bit of a decreasing radius, just turn in more and it's right there. Feels really good. Feels like a lighter and a little bit more nimble GTR.